Hey, that's a Soda Pop from Soda Hughes, and you are watching the Malak channel. And today we're going to be looking at UDON's Art of Capcom 2. Don't know exactly what order these are going to be posted. I'm assuming I'm going to post them in sequence. So, first one has probably already been posted. I just went through it a little while ago. One thing I didn't notice is that the printing on the end of those pages creates a nice effect on the outside of the book. I like that. Let's jump in. Style is consistent in terms of the design of the book itself. We're starting with Street Fighter again. Oh no. Someone's trying to snipe Chun-Li. That's right, Police Officer Chun-Li. I really did enjoy the Street Fighter 2 animated movie. I need to see the live action. I've heard some crazy things about it, but I still haven't watched it. I don't know why I haven't. I should get around to that. I should do that. Some of those early video game movies, what the hell was going on? I remember me and my friend Jamie, one of the things we would do a lot together is play video games. I remember a lot of wonderful days just playing video games, some of which we weren't supposed to, like GTA and Halo, trying to do it in secret sometimes, just in the basement listening to My Chemical Romance's The Black Parade and Green Day's Holiday on repeat. Yeah, lots of good memories. So I guess you could say we were a bit of gamers. And so one time we were at the library. I think Jamie's mom was trying to do some real estate stuff. We took a trip to the city so she could get some documents or something. Then she remembered, oh yeah, I've got some movies that I reserved at the library, so I'm going to pick them up because they had better selection at the one she wanted to go to. So she went in to get that stuff, and me and Jamie were browsing the movies. And we were so surprised we discovered a movie, the Mario Brothers, and we were blown away. We were like, how have we never heard of this? My main console, because I was always a little bit behind, was a Super Nintendo, and so we had played Mario, and we were just like, this is crazy. It's a movie about a video game. Like, can we please get this? We were so excited. We went home and we watched it with his mom, and just it was funny because, like, you'd expect, like, the parents, especially if they aren't familiar with video games or video game culture, to be kind of confused at that stuff, but we were just equally as confused. That movie is fucking weird. It was such a bizarre experience, but it did make us laugh sometimes, and like we could tell that it was screwy and like something was up, but also I feel like we both recognized that it was just fun. Oh, I got a print from Edwin Huang. I think that's Iron Pinky, maybe, because I think I almost got some of those Street Fighter prints. But yeah, if you ever want to go for a weird trip, definitely go try watching that old Mario Brothers movie. Oh boy, that one's out there. Seems to be more kind of like pencil crayon. Some ink though too. Yeah, maybe it's more pen. Maybe it's a combination of pencil and pen. Very nice. Oh, Omar Dogan. Okay. I'd have to try and find Christine Choi. That one's a nice one too. Because I tend to like her work. I don't think I'm following her on social media just yet, so maybe I'll get around to that. Nice. Ooh, big old multi-figure piece. Captain Commando. Hey, is that good old Claire? Cool stuff. I'm not really familiar with Strider. Game projects. The HD sprites. I'm a little busy with my own books. These are awesome though. But I saw someone looking for like a combat designer for a fighting game, and it was really tempting because I did train for like 2.5 years in Muay Thai and Jiu-Jitsu. I really want to get back to it at some point when I get back into, decent health. I'm getting closer and closer as the day as the days go. That one looks bizarre, frozen that way. But yeah, I thought that just sounded really cool. It was tempting to apply for it. Now this is making me almost wish I did, but I think it'd be cool. I did a couple years of karate before getting into the more common MMA disciplines, but I really want to get back to it. I'm a 1-stripe white belt in jiu-jitsu, but I don't know how long my life will be, but I think I'd like to get to black in jiu-jitsu before I die. It takes a lot of time though, so I gotta get back to it soon at some point. But it is expensive to train that consistently. But who knows what the future holds. Either way, when I go to the gym, whenever I pick a gym, it's important to me that they have a heavy bag, so I can do that every so often. Keep my shins and hands hard. I'd like to get more experience in judo too, because that one, Omar Dogan does some just really nice work. Just because that was one that I felt like I never quite got the grasp on how to properly imbalance someone else. And so I would usually wind up in a non-dominant position on the ground and then have to, figure a way out of it to progress the sparring I was in, if it ever got to grappling, just because I never quite got good enough at throws. And that's something I definitely feel like I should improve on. But yeah, another great book filled with a lot of great art. I always probably am going to recommend these if it's something you're interested in. They're nice. They are kind of expensive, but they are high quality hardcover books, really great printing quality, just nice overall. If you ever know that you want one, be sure to get it before it goes to the resellers and are sold out, because then people try and sell these for, over $100, $200. And that's when it becomes a little tough to justify getting these books. But, when you're getting them brand new direct, the price is a little high, but not insane. So be sure to like, subscribe, check out my Patreon, try and find other ways to support the channel so we can keep sharing cool art and supporting artists and looking at the amazing creations out there. Thank you, and I hope to see you again. Take care.
You're such a sweet